question 18, we've got negative 0.18 and that's squared, which means you're multiplying that number by itself. So starting off, I'm going to ignore the negatives and I'm going to look at what is 0.18 multiplied by 0.18. To multiply by decimals, we can ignore the decimals and look at what 18 multiplied by 18 is. So what's 18 times 18? Let's do it down here. 8 8s are 64. 8 1s are 8 plus the 6 is 14. And then we have to multiply by 10, so put down the 0. 1 times 8 is 8, and 1 times 1 is 1. Add them together. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 8 is 12, carry the 1, and we get 324. So 18 times 18 is 324. We have 0.18 times 0.18. So that you can notice there are 2 numbers after decimal point and then another 2, so 4 numbers after decimal point. Our answer then will have 324 in it, but it needs to have 4 digits after decimal point. So 0, 3, 2, 4. And that means then, if we go back to our question, 0.18 times 0.18 is 0.0324. And then we've got to think, what's a negative multiplied by a negative? A negative times a negative is a positive, so that is our final answer. It's positive 0.0324.